All right. Adiachi. And then Yawada. Now Yawada be a draw no pa. Nundu ekosi said do me the one. Yeah, the Kumawood entertainment show at the Braille Life. The Kumawood TV show. And then your son's here. And some baby and Abba. Our entertainment industry. And then near be for the transit. Now, ya bobo, ya pensé. Now, also, I'll teach you, no, so do I venture at the Abba because they be a Yelemon. Yakasan now also what venture what the fact a year WhatsApp and I say message now the Abba near can Eddie amount. And what you know, you may be a homotrophona too. Now, what also pass off friend, no friend. Now, if you watch your wife, I find someone a coso a walk and somebody been or say, I'm happy fake pastors in Ghana have been exposed. Evangelist Dana Asamoah and the kind. Wasn't the near Japan said, and now Canada Japan so honorable and then Kofobi among a fake pastors. Eddie, the Beckham was said. And no one, brother Samin Subekan has said, and Kofobi are so for Bilumuswa, among so, Amoka said, and now among Nam Quabiso, a good, a deep for near so for be more must and I'm so say, Christosom. Or no so not or no so actually. Ye bet, she said, Ibina no a Homan so. Nafi, yet into the more every one of your phone so actually funny face or the Codon Cancer and when I call UTV, a yet Nana Mama Brown shoes and now and Tokwa, ABC, a fake almost said I'm planning on my way. A business say no and see Oman planning to be out found. And now, see. Now, my question is, yeah, friend, beef. So when we will beef, if America, Memona, I say, I Chelsea Ghana, I'm a Ghana for so AB. Now, say, me ne rabbit dog, beef. Now, say, me a host. Now, me friend rabbit dog, and I me Abba show so. And then I say, as a host, we. As I say, we see a son and son, Udomaba, if you did so. And now I say, Ubaba, ever Jason was see we are a sea. You are Buddha, Consam, or chair, choir, a fast swap, sadly, we a sea, and also what it and one sem can cry over her. Shatawali, and Sakodia, Assign, Ari United. Na and no one so you can ever have. A Binu can say a Japu, aka Bidam, Sabi, Woo, a rumor, a Japu, Abacasa, Sawatiasi, Nina, and ever channel ever, Kumawood TV. And we are don't say, when I can entertainment politics, but honorable, we are don't call, but me a president. Or say, say to Abamano, a year 2020 year. Obia or a media person be a cabako. Be a cabako. Or better, free cabako. Intino, yeah, let's say, a babaso and answer and must in the campaign message and all day, but where my own say, sometimes politicians don't to money, but my good for her, they become one same ever. And some baby, I have family on them, and then probably among them ever, and they become one same. Mr. O said, when they said number now, a good screen is on. Number then a good screen is on. A text message and I say, what's up? Fa. What's what interest? A fan, some way I ever can once a name. Fabra, Nayankin Kai, and for more. 0543-596070 0543-596070 make I was say I was so no what them saying shake your waist I was so season 2 yes here audition no so Saturday twa ebono amam for by ebe year audition Saturday we are ebe year nso yes sign the audition atwa so we no and I'm say COVID-19 nti no ye nya no enipa bebre aha ene ye no nti ba bia wo bia go mo dey say wo beba Saturday we are over Kumasi Amojo Atenga Junction baby akuma wudu no oba na yaye audition from anopa 9 ekosi enumre 4 na yaye audition na wie enti o pese oba bia bra wo sisi wo to betima sheki a share radio no munyam pacho bra na at the end of the day no ubenya achede bebrebe e di afim eno chi no Kumawood Training Institute enso ababiu eye dwumadi a ye church ensa no dwuma wo de nam yensa ne a church ensa no dwuma enam coronavirus nti ese se unhu se ne CS hand sanitizer ese otimi hu obi a opese wo ye beads opese wo ye liquid soap shower gel enema bebre ene wo mu sa 3D epoxy ena bio digester ni nyina no ye kire no ewo Kumawood TV ha 7th 8th and 9 August ena ye desa esiwa ye church amount for 200 Ghana cedis per baby abada eka ho enenti bomodern server fresh number we 0244294066 na waje enjiremu anase ya register na wonso abeka ho bi Jumadi eye Kumawood Entertainment Show meeting at the Samuel Kwabena Dako. Ene me wo Rabido ewa ha. Ena as usual me wo Frank Focus Media ewa ha. Ye anko break bia ye de chicheso. Sisia na afi enema akeka abo enema so. Na me guest ba ko na overcome ho. Your friend Ojam eye obi a o movie industry no na CCI social media there obo Ojam o ha imenya no nsem bebrebe why no ho controversial person dia odidi amanfo atem e wo social media mo wo social media de mo nim ebi se o kanokre ebi se on kanokre na ebi nso se oyeni papa ebiso se oneni papa ena ene Ojam ha enkoma ya twetwe nyina no no so de na dwenkyere ebeba ewo Kumawood TV so oja fo mo makwa ebe so so ma me start every frank say de bia na Focus media was na watch within 2 minutes watch and then I also na that was I mean as you should it's a shufo the group say the radio admit what let us know how can you come see okay I start to switch let us I am nominees no registration ya nominations I want and the format of voting okay code review issue and the app I saw school voting now and the da we shall say for 27th of this month okay now we shall say voting there the registration there and I start reading now after that they distribute or more other readings. Okay. Add this one more from next week. No, this week you are in. Okay. This week you are in. Because the word man, but so the artwork in intent. But go to the man and not force to see the way to go to create and go from. So this week and next week, and then beside when you are in the LED. But now the kind of say vote me shall say 27th of this month. Okay. And I say artwork the big and now the pressure back. People say any artwork more. But you have to say personal artwork. Okay. You have to say the album. Then you have this whole show Kumawood and I said, we'll be a presenter, I don't have nomination. Also, on for the picture and then the category. Also, they call Focus Media at yahoo.com. Focus Media at Yahoo. Oh, Fox, no spellings. FOK. And then before we do. The new problem, yeah. Focus Media, FOKLEX. X near Zalo from Canada to Sudan. Okay. FOKLEX. Now the media, MEDIA, that's okay. At yahoo.com. Also, no picture, hello, category, hello, D, and 2 man.
the very artwork and therefore I am yes for that to be our cinema insanity. End up TV for the past 2 years I'm mobile living one by when it comes to media opinions or kind of Chinica or Christina and the these other background if she is as a CEO one by let's be frank and then this is was about Lincoln.
All right,
very wonderful. Menchia Jah Wisdom for president is coming 2020. Jah Wisdom for president.
For
so far as I am concerned, you Rastaman crowd. I don't know show so Jah Wisdom for president.
As president there, but your 5-pack president, your you can have even tomato sellers president.
Of course.
President or whatever.
President of Ghana.
Jah Wisdom.
Don't president.
Oh, don't say that.
No, me just me
what
president of Ghana.
But don't say cry.
Oh, I cry only 1%. But you cry. You can't cry. Cry near the other moon. Because I cry. Many be cry near the other. Many be cry on your mobile.
May introduce you Baokasa.
Jah Wisdom for president. Menchia Jah Wisdom. Na menchia another president for music. Also by Ras Apia Kelly. Na menchia Ras Bobo. Ras Conscious. When you say Same, Ghana, we have about 6 months to go on our election way, and voter registration nearly. It's the best for Kenya so catch you be our Ghana say voter registration in year to now. Over to about so far as our Ghana in Kwani, you have to register. It's will be unregistered.
Okay,
president,
all right, will be unregistered. Jah Wisdom for president. Anyway, he supported. Said Rasta man to make my bed. Now, ever said I said it. Mobile legalizing.
Oh, Jah Wisdom for president, you know. And no man see any sooner. Maybe be a legalization. I mean, they say no legalization is when it's in a process. I said
no Rasta president. Yeah, we I say more.
Oh, Rasta for president. I mean, I'm very sure, sir. Bibi center Benya ministry said we can you bet marry you because you can't be a brain a chain sir no man for you wasting time on it what do you say Benya ministry which will help a lot for your food and drugs board but it talks about some herbs which is very bad. These are things that we will address in the future.
All right, kuma wo the entertainment and then a better power ever hapa ojam your life.
You see what I
said. And then the first time I was no more cover. Now, Ojam, you can't so Jama, Ojam again. Ojam will be our country. Ojam will be a second when we feel Kurama. It be dry. So you're born here, open the back. Open down for no way on no catasso. The pass I will put it here. So that will be a okay, the second jump. Tire claims can jump. Yes, Mother was to prove that I was with your pony maker. You found when you said, David, now you're called grandma. I don't know why a mistake better until we are Macranic. Who you mistake? I remember my once about the you don't never. Me come papa dey me bobo dia wa as o pe dia bossa o se o woni ene ye papa obofo won sem bae wokɔ tɔ nsuom kɔbɔ dua wɔ ade ntina wopɛ dua bɔ sa
mepɛ dua bɔ menim dua bɔ menim bɔ ba ɔgyegyefoɔ wɔsɛm wo no so wɔso wɔ nyinaa wɔkyiri diidi a sɛ wo soso bɔkɔ so kɔ a omika wokɔ a wɔsɛm nyina wobɛpɛ baabi abɛtɛ na wode aba wode baabi de aba no ahwehwe wo
na dua bɔ na ɛyɛ baabi a sɛ
na mo sɛ nnipa da sɛ ne mo nka no brɛ meka kyerɛ sɛ santa nkoso mepa ɔkyɛ wo ade a menim ho hwee wode bɛhyɛ ɔtim so wogya ma ɔkorɔmfa na wogya ho nyɛ wode asɛm ameka ne nti wonyimi ni da meyɛ yɛ wonyimi ni ɔhwɛ kora na wopɛ sɛ asɛm ameka
wo nipa yi wo ne agradaa wɔ isu
agradaa de mebɛwɔ isu saa
wo ne hwan obi nim hwan kyɛ sɛ ana
ɛgye nkyɛm na obi nim wɔ isu sɛ obi nim ɔtake me papa bɔfoɔ
wo papa ne ɔbɔfoɔ
me papa
na ɔbɔfoɔ de ɔne isu
na ɔbɔfoɔ wɔ isu a ɛmɛka ɔbɔfoɔ isu ba ɛsɛ firi sɛ asɛm wɔwɔ die ne nyɛ da ɛka kyɛ sɛ ɔbɔfoɔ yɛ wo yɛ ne nyɛ nti ne fɛ mu gyam controversial
nti ɔbɔfoɔ de ɔyɛ bia yɛ
bɔne bɛ wɔyɛ
bibusa wo sɛ de ɔyɛ bia yɛ
wɔyɛ dan yɛbi nim sɛ me papa no wɔyɛ no menim sɛ ɛyɛ ma me eti woni problem ni wɔyɛ pɔne a ka kyerɛ me sɛ mantwina ni mu a I don't feel ɛkwan na ko baabi a
alright we entertainment mo bu ɛna yɛde abrɛ mu no ɛnɛ yɛdi kan akɔ yɛ first story so ɛyɛ Gina Asamoah issues a ɛbeba ɛwɔ Ghana ha na asɔfoɔ prophets for akukudam ɔmonim egu ase yɛ maame a ɔto ne mu ɛse nea esisi wɔ saa asɔfoɔ yi mu ɔno de n'ani agye paa ɔfoa so paa sɛ asɔfoɔ no mu ase ɔfoa so sɛ asɔfoɔ no mu ase yɛn kɔ hɛ video no mra yɛ baa yɛ ana afei ɛbɛgyafoɔ nso abɔ ntiro mu. Okay, yasanso ababio evangelist Gina Asamoah aye dwotuni ena odina no abetumu se asofofo a sebe omani mo ogu ase no ono de support pa Rabido I'm starting through
Sama me da se na menchia mena na to ko so 2472 so menchia na asama Diana Samoa so no so
why a musician and now evangelist
very good no preach or care money na o say adia honorable Kennedy Japan we any day say asofo bi expose you na am bisa mo say in Christianity no ehfa na yakase obi a ono nya Christian ni no ono na expose o mo Christians. Can that be possible? So the near arrest of a civilian na so the no one also arrest civilians and our police no also arrest the person than someone as evangelist so we give say fake pastors be over because from here I'm a Christopher yeah you this almost evangelist so I'm proud to make a Kennedy Japan me sure pass Christo ni
so pastor
me sure so Christo
Tio anya say Christo ni accept eson ensemtroni send us you asem and eson osofo
yes
send on so tin you asem can the agent mu say ono de ohwehwe nkrofo
na say law and it was central
that o team yes sir investigation which Diana me sure say ono police team
na Diana expose the suffer there because the suffer so omo ka class no be there
the suffer there
the suffer our corner so Diana or congregation join definitely suffer Pentecost and he expose Pentecost as suffer say
Pentecost as suffer there me sure say
he expose Pentecost as suffer until then as I say there but Pentecost as suffer na okay so until
if a be anya perfect and that one day
and if be anya perfect until why never perfect you see I will be expose you.
Okay.
Fine, because there are some CSC work actually. Wash us for being Uncle for home now. They have a certain be our disciplinary committee, and this man will be at the end deco. Until I said, MP also come one year shop Emra, and I'm so watching the station to MP never TV so. And I feel that you also I or come some chair or some kind of second. Name of sophobia or more a walk from Ghana and sophobia or my Dumaya or in a moon certain. And no best posy. Meanwhile, the same panel MP no Becca so. Unbelieving the Christendom. We want this to be very weird, but yet tell us,
and the Robert always say, are there Kennedy wrong?
Me to me want to be wrong or but for people in the Christian faith, I recommend them say, why are they pardon? Now Christian faith, we disciplinary committees for the South way. So being Yana and maybe you Christian council you can report that person to the Christian council. How many South one deal? The same way I'm not say, soft be a fake or second in the best position. Can I do money so best position yourself? Like the man saw your MP for Sin Central, where CEO of some radio station, TV station, and one saw BB expose being the idea. And no man never a Christopher, me never go to do because he said the other time I'm working. What time you call a Bensua? Brother Samuel said, the Kennedy here, and so much on my own purpose.
Samuel so any evangelist, I could say what any evangelist now or YouTube reference. Say almost the only year no so what because almost exposing Gophobia and what Christianity.
Yeah, because me obi talk say wo amu nyina say no. Omo preach gospel no fine, but we study omo here. Sometimes I say they are the divine beings of my Bible correcting no. It's not true. I go say wo obi Ford, I go man or a pot. How to not afford no. But what about because of Ford now? So far man. It Jesus man I go say wo so no. What's the meaning?
Alleged.
Alleged. The can in alleged. Yet you go say alleged be. Ya so am na say. It's I go say wo obro alleged so. I go say wo ma omo nyina ye wo na
man CNP and I say he said
some I tesama da bi papa ne beka sai papa na Ford ne dia enya tesam papa ne kasa me yete enti na tesam ne dia I go say boss of Ford ne ma no sika no di ye we ya tesam we ya asem mu mienu kasa enti ye mienu tie ka enya tesam we should be just city say Diana Samoa say eni dia honorable Kennedy Japan ye ne dia Diana Samoa say am kan che honorable Kennedy Japan say wonra na sorry no ko the CSU so Pentecost wonra ho no ma hwe mo mamuso na say ho no we okay ayi because I don't think they are all okay.
I mean, Emra Frank.
Rabbi, but the fact is that so we are only Christian when we correct Christian. This was so open to sanity.
Say Rabbi Doeka.
And also pass on the sanity. So we are on pass on. Who pass on? Who pass on? Some of people to the field pass on. Now no better so suffer. What see when natural. What you see? Now
say be me am class and me so menka.
Now the was answer. The fact of the matter is that as someone indicates. And that's Christopher Atrofon. And then a neighbor. And then a neighbor.
Order
that. And a young issue to glass and can I say. Kakaka, there will come was a new concept for. Also, Casse or be or true for an answer being a year. Yana men wouldn't say you, but oh, caught to the stand, say, Nipacum, a baby one. Now also a Christian, yes, I'm saying the Bible. So you used to me now, Sans away over one. Me, when I hear them, and then new one. Because I'm not so much catching with the two, say. And conform Chelsea, they will command it, no was in free everybody, and every soul, and never back. It's a money problem, they said, but who was often be a concert bomb, no market more. Per Amunia, Nisi Capelli, painting, people go extreme. Hey, you got that so for. The normal boys of the tone of all group. If you go extreme, but I would be the place of the exactly. It's a manager, and a credit can never. Now that I'm going to I'm going to ask for 24. This is a wanted.
Oh, but said the awareness of what? I'm not service. Crophobia. Oh, yes, Crophobia. Uncle, why can you be said? On by a son and my brother. The baby say I can afford the time for go to the young program. Yeah, just ask them. This is the below belt. Let's have for a priest what we both do. Nobody said the Kennedy. It is not that one will stop there. It is the divine intervention of God. And the son of man. So now the catch on the intervention of God. Never put to me never. Paul. It's a corner percentage. Kennedy the away in Timinia, let's say 10%. Let me tell you something, 10% over 10%. Oh, that's a catty down. So you think that's fake. So you think that's a 6 star. That's a Kennedy, a popular one, or more popular, fake. You're more demon possessed. Even demon possessed, or more team should have, or more fitting that. I'm not opening the you don't have any idea. You don't have any idea. So, and before the woman, baby, Tamale, no, even Massa or my team should be ready to that. I'll bet what he's doing underground. And I'm over ready to be teams that can get a ball in Ogonia. Tell me, if you don't tell me, what percentage is he going? So far, President Department for only so for Morgan. Only churches are organ. Churches are organ. I'm more than even drinking sport in Ghana. Churches are organ. Nipa, Bongo, French Bongo. Then my area can do more than 5 days. And I was shocked. I'll grab me and nothing acquire business. See, so I know the better of say. I don't say the idea is that if you can as a politician now, as a politician now, the perception now about politics, Uber politics will be this guy. To be at the nation. Exactly. For Uber and one, now we get an answer. I don't want to know it's going to be performing answer. You make money, and that's what it is going through the people. The fact of the matter is that the people send the paper was as usual. They will have a problem. Not Obi can answer it. No, there are people down. They can be attending mobile media, no conductive or Biaso or Papa. And you see the people out. You see the people out today. You are a joker. You are a comedian. What are you talking of? No. Some voice you are. I said. Oh, no, but if you are a comedian, you are a joker. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh, but so Papa, can I obey the mission? Then go for people. They are performing on one thing they can be home. It's a fact. So, Obi crap out because I hear. Now, I'm going to down the court. And then I will go and say, it's good and you say, Obi and say, that's what but still, sorry. So, the fact of the matter is that maybe a small maker. So, pass on no spirit. If you say no spirit, now you say, at a time of church, and point here to the memo to my heavier. Period. How can I come? This is a more grabber. Unless God come, you say, wait, power and not open. Because every preaching, then the class of they be preaching very well. They be there, power, how to be able to get power. Yeah. They be how to get money. And then, what's your money? man moment traveling Frank and so another issue at the Abano. But maybe 0543 596070 0543 596070 a text message on the first and our WhatsApp. I can kind of issues are about you can WhatsApp now also there. Oja, we just say we need assembly account.
Now what kind of system? It's about family local and young papa which say more than who's today more than more pee and some can I must soon take
one country.
I said the problem.
One country.
Yes,
one country.
One channel.
Yeah, me possess
Salam Lafty.
The honorable Canadian Japan. And then go for be exposed as of for. We okay. Men never would be okay. Never baby, me okay. I want to make a little bit from a we are from a democratic me peodi women just say omo we star omo TV omo gidi omo TV omo di omo na kana Japan attack no omo ni TV no so fo omo ni TV no ya so fo ni nipa omo twitwi ko kuma mo fo ni dia mo fo si community kana Japan ko wa kwede so on say on kan na on kan let me go o papa e yo bofo enkrofo bebrebe and social media so percent kakana di nyade kana se bakana de say o me kan no so so kana se yes ana se ni busa say ene de amofo se obofo na agidi enti wo ko kan nanka onto de ande kana Japan amofo ma bu na wo mo isi wo achi no a wo mu ni din no wo susu an enti atofo ne amofo de ko Japan bu wo mu ko na ye kolot wo ya se wo ya se wo ye de wo ye kolot to se de wo ye na wo ya za obi ni wo chi a wo ni di wo mu da za o the wasn't war when it and why I did no Japan ya found. Okay. Yeah, me some who would just say Japan attack. Now me would them so you need to so me book or simple Japan baby. Okay. Say if you are no expose name and fat Sangophone because Kennedy who and I want to can. Me sure say o betima kan ho say e wo me nya we say o mu kuti fu nyina e wo mu kan na o mu dan nyima ga ban koso on fa sa. Okay, we Kumawood entertainment show and woni gusu a o hwe no en sama ye kan wa han nyina na pa cho o su betimi e de wadentre e de afa e WhatsApp line so na ya kan e de amount 054 024 0543 596070 0243 596070 0243 596070 o de ba na fe ya ka ho asem e de amount brother Same enso akeka nsem bebe na ya try say ebenya brother Same e wa homa no so na ba ye no adwetwe enkomo yes Shatawale ene sakode akambum one beef na ya ka ho asem no na shata anase sakode on shata ewo beef yibi it's still on some be any videos will be but the entity ban say o makambo rabido
sorry that's it Shatawale ne sakode ekwan a ye tete say o makambo no on sakode birthday
yeah
and the dusty no me kasa wa surprising Shatawale on the line.
Okay.
Black Catabon was stressed out. Nah, like I said, it's about time that we got to be stressed out. Because we also follow celebrities in almost beef now. Truly, it doesn't really make sense. That's a answer there because Shatawale is almost beef, maybe a starting beef.
Yeah.
And Shatawale can a part and this Sakodi part. Oh, and
I said, Sakodi, you're ready for the beef.
Sakodi, may only say, wait a minute, and yet normal beef. This is a personal cabin for night. What I said, for Sakodi, Shatawale used to come his house and all that. Beef is different from my academic. I said, yeah, and I said, you see, copy.
Difference about beef now coming
in music. That is why we had beef. I can't hear your personal life when you be here. But the personal life, you don't have any beef. Some you know where you are done for. Now you see any beef.
But no, yeah, come no beef.
No, till your beef interpretation in music. And what I car, your person is here, but your cousin is
no your beef, or Abraham no yaka.
Yeah, which one beef Abraham? Very for beef or maniaca.
Creative.
Yeah. Shatawale and a bar for free. Or attacking for food, we look at Samini. It wasn't any proper Yakabia, it was just a normal. I said, Menon Tiase, Menon Tiasimbiase, a particular area. I deal with the Camino Yard in the pub, I had a no yard. I'm going to say, Mincho, Focus or a Christoni. But in the Thailand, he didn't come up, I don't know, but Mimi Christoni. What's the major city? About Christianity, we don't need to argue because we need Christianity.
Okay.
It's because we need Christianity. It doesn't make it beef. So and I walk personal one. I said, yeah, can't send me. Now all of a sudden, I said, not very personal. Now we go flock, also flock. Now all of a sudden, we'll be out on the baby near Casa. And then you beef for me, I can't Casa. Or beef, they make my stage by a carrying to the stage. I for so here, Shatawale and Nisa are the issue now. If there is music, this guy is a member of Veda, then music and animal guasi. Because how can a dusty call Sarkodie and Shatawale on radio and they say, Casa or Makai or radio? I bab on second of what you have to so, oh, more smoky peace pipe. And I don't beef from there, proper than Papa. It wasn't proper beef because beef for a very long time. Shatawale can be before Sarkodie don't want to respond. Your back so Shatawale was a nice person, but I don't know how I ain't anything. So it's all of a sudden the birthday now. We buy a line, national castle, Shatawale, so you're surprised now. Of course, I die, be able to go to my baby field, or buy a gate in it. Now, friend, no, you're settled into. We can use these 2 minutes to solve the issue. It's not true.
Okay.
They had issues. As an issue, when they're resolved. So how do their beef go? Beef is just public domain. Yeah, baby, so say we must fight together. We must together. Together. What is it bringing to the industry? And find my industry. We know we together. And find my industry. Because beef more united. It doesn't make any proper sense.
All right. Saturday here, I will come out the entertainment show. But what didn't you know? Between the fat land, so now I can kind of the amount. Wait, I say. I'm Kwame Jr. from Duam Kwanta. Today your guest was not on point. They have to research as you did before they come out. Cause I am not really corresponding to what they are saying. Because what Diana Samoa said about Kennedy was on point, but what your guests are saying. Are talking as if they don't know what to do for now. Tell them to learn. Anyway, also they are or they Abba, I don't know. Obia Channel, two sorry channels also the Abba. We say also I say I'm Menu Anthony from Sunyane. I'm regarding to what Dana Samoa said, please, I wanted to address the issue of Kennedy. Please, the man is doing the right, correct and fantastic job. As for me, I hope what the man is doing is differently from God. Keep it up, Kennedy, or not there, or the Abba and so and no. What's so better me? I do a message about near African kind. I do a patch up. Men fret side line so. Ofra, intimate. MPK and I say to me and can kind text messages now. me ba ojamso na ojamso awentre a ewo efa sakode ene Shatawale beef omo say according to source omo kan bo ojam o ni kan fa
sakode ne Shatawale beef e dia ya na enye no to ko ni bu se ni ba we no my star enye de we ya no sakode na Shatawale no ko ni bu so my star to de pia no ja no to kakra na o ma se ta ye de di anim ne no so be gidi so
ni na ma sadom no
koso ti me je me ni na dure unti mfa sa de mu ye enfa me piti me what does one make me say ni mi ni di ni obi o di ko ye ko se ye ko piapia ye ho ya obi aye kase ye ho kura ano obi amfa da bi emu se stars for ni am for keke beef da bi amote mu so mu dia obi dia yew ha bi kra bi prada da bi aye mu manu ya
to na say Shatawale ne Stonebwoy beef ya oko stage ya enka ebinum tututu ni aga
so anga so okokonto o se ko mano cancer
na was a beef na no stage na wo ba the show ashes out there
I don't want to
say they supposed to wait
why
to blow
and I want to blow the area now to the chrono the last setting you must have we here why you make eh sinipa je blow as any down me wuti me ko pa mu nye beef 100 ni za wona mu di sata se no ko say ya wudi na ko wani
na so try mu crash still and you know our system
ni mu obi won mo be di mewu titam bi o maintain di no e ko fa so e di ni be ba no hwe gay ya o ne dia yin kan ho gay ya wuro no e di ya bu ndu asan wa ye friends polo wo no to social media di ti na mo pe
o si wo tin birthday ne
ba da ho e di no e na ko e no pe ti ba mu se stars foreigners ni foreign ya da din na no obi kreti a obi won ten ya mo fa sa problem no maye e maye ya ni ni ya ho nsi ye ti ya akro ti bo mu gaje for the personal dia wa wa se ti mi so no mu ni na no e ya go no mu di ti na nya je so za ka bu
Frank sir the word beef at the end of the day I'm off right
it is not a good thing we who disaster and tell more from the partners and tell more but my culture said in the music industry some of the national were trending and they say we will two being can so we will be and that's my South culture said dance or artists ground so only kiki kakra now the kakra now just two kakra now dance
now want to see kakra
and the pattern and kanka on let's say dance on then we pay I've told you say I didn't work about a butter at the end of it and the money complete. It has to be a comedian.
Who's the first?
It has to be a comedian. No one
first now. You know, John. First now. You name Ebia. Amachi the day.
I'm not going to answer.
Oh. Now how like an area? That's all. Hey, you'll be there. You're sharing. How like Ghana?
Anyway. Oh, dear, no. Well,
it's a good life when there was so many times there was beef, but
and show said
because already did and man and fear can do how I make a fear flat. It was what men of what do insanity.
I'm very move up on my teacher for you.
No, our person says, Ovra Ponza Lumba, Oviti, Ovra Ponza, Barowski, Kovia Ponza,
say.
I was able for your plan. I mentioned a crown, a idea of no crown. We are. I'll there was a good one year 15. Now, said that you go congratulate you to anymore. Say, Makura's sport, maybe the car, Fakakin Mamma, and no but. I don't know the different form of money. And I'm thinking as a certain wrong, certain of the second position with that program. And just messing. And just messing. Cows out realize not of a telephone line. Is it
It keeps changing. It keeps changing. And I said here, you know, if you trend, you make money. Now, if you don't trend, you don't make money.
Okay.
Now, you say social media and YouTube now. Let's
How trend they are.
go back a year to. You need to do anything to trend.
I did be also there.
Let's
on
now,
laptop
now,
now till
now, now, Instagram.
That's how trend.
Instagram, they pay you. Twitter, they pay you. YouTube are paying. Facebook are paying. And they have to be there. Why so all the followers? And why you have the followers?
I said we count.
What's it?
I said all the time they will count.
Exactly. So that is how it is. What does it say? YouTube. Satawale say. Sika what you okura the next kind of one. So now go to Satawale Sampana. They have to go and check say on your hand or the other to say we have problem.
It did shut down not time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So all these things have come to tell me, Mama. It's about 4% trending.
Okay.
So whatever we want to do to trend, we have to trend.
trend.
Exactly. You see, Satawale and Sako de some come back where they are. I mean, some come.
Ah.
Oh yes.
No more come on the way.
Oh, how should they unite? What should they unite for? For what business?
I just don't know. Yet he has to see yet he has to see rabbit or egg can a place we are Christian. Now Christian no can say obi no obi obi for me aka wa kan mo ayo ya.
How come we don't want it? They can't say on the fact who should be happy birthday that means only by so there are so many people who wish happy birthday on Facebook. Minimum. It just all go big. You should be a birthday. It just all go.
That makes rabbit dog I still not canon. Say beef is different from my
Of course, but some of the beef that we hear in Ghana, some of them are planted. I say I can't because we are gone there. But most of them are staged. Send them in the movie. What I say?
It's dress script.
What discuss? We say what collaboration. But say they didn't talk about. There are so many beef also. But we say we don't want you to come out so much because the basana am I grown now.
I say yeah, mama go for soon now for TV so. Mutimi ya dey go TV so.
Movie.
If you now ko na nyansa bi any bet. O ma stage am.
Movie there story and story you be
Music they also tell stories.
Music also story.
They're the same thing.
No.
Momo dey any visual, momo dey any audio. That is the difference.
I'm crowd the visual but the person to say movie no script in the action. Anyom the bomb anyom o script and as o one no ko to your photo. Yeah, after the movie the image now they say
Some momo dey
Sese,
let's have one.
ya one concern say
Some man role play him on movie that. Na beef na area. What's go dey beef?
enya beef.
Eno dey ayaka no.
Da be nya ya.
Any industry ni go ofu.
Da bi
Any e ka go dey na nya ndi. Obi came out to say movie producers sideline. He came out to say that. And I'm also back as on super out channel. Request people are tired of him.
I don't know if you are
Now, for the first, no,
Come on, who was made them stars. So if who have made them stars, they tell you no.
I will not come to
who said that? Obi caption or yeah.
But captions are only derived from a story.
But of course, yes, I'm kind. Yes, I'm kind. Caption.
I'm the one on the floor. You are the host.
What I say?
What is all the panel?
No, listen. Men are a car assembly or your interview. I know the caption no a BT amount for, but Uko tie I didn't have a kind of man kasa.
But at least one kasa you say Kuma was made some of them who they are, which is a fact. Is that so or not?
No.
Is that so?
Nyakopon enemo obi.
But
on
the people also and the
I know here or Nyakopon be share him from ma o. Oh now no here die na mo here. But in a minute they mama. No, that's not what I said.
Nyame
Ekriafo e wo brasi mi aduane nya so keto ha mo osia odi ko se ya
mo ya
na wo ya ade bu o wa ayo obi dia fama no ekriafo na bia nwane ne nyame nyame ba si aduane so na wo na
o de ga bode ba nya wora
muntu mo
o de ga bode nya wora
mo fi no kra
kiki
fama so mo dia so ko da mo dia bode ye ko no ba ko ba me pese be de ti so la flow
it's be hard to say see men so with the industry or more if you want into the more if they should not have beef or they should be closer maybe because I always want them to trend and to trend is to say mobayaka number one too short number respondent then it keeps the industry look second and it's always vibrant. That's what I want. Okay there's a this is and then that I want this so well woman baby yeah power and okay, I don't know for us. Didn't come in the power. See that be active say 7 minutes so more yaka. That's so more reason nothing song. I also want to do a better song than some boy. No one to focus a different one. Me and the and different. That's a so if you live now, they go for the go. And song man America. I said forever I said it's one of the best beaver. Me who Americans are nature of power. Oh shit, strong man.
No, I myself who enjoy beef, sir.
It's nice.
Hey,
it's nice.
Oma. It's Oma. You never say.
Beef is just nice. Beef is the best in music, especially dancehall. It's part of the music industry, my brother. In Jamaica, in US, everywhere. Dancehall, better boy. Ultimate boy story, sir.
And I make out the be said so be here now there doesn't mean say yes
complete. I don't come and complete. You can't be a good director when you don't know how to direct. And when you direct it, now was educated as a good director. And money complete. As a master man also knew.
Oh, no, I'm answering about no read.
But the oil, I tell you Amanziba is my friend.
Amanziba is watching
us. My body go
there. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Amanziba is say. Amanziba say. Amanziba say.
Don't go there.
Oh.
Wait, I say Vincent. Hi, I'm Vincent from Mampong. I'm enjoying your show very much, but tell your panel members that if they don't like what Kennedy Japan is doing, then they are corrupt. You two are corrupt. Someone said Kennedy and guys are also corrupt too. Bibisha said Mutua Mosomo Kennedy better.
Special prosecutor officer and they'll send a message.
And also ask them about the we say, hey Ghana, we should better stop that too. Today shatter, tomorrow stone, and then so Saturday. It's not good crap. Kumo TV, you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. From Little Mercy inside Kasapin, or not so there or the air banner. We say so. I say good morning, guys. Why are you all not wearing your nose masks? Okay. Aside it to close to one another. Also, they are the abano. Yeah, that's the also the ofutu abba. Now, Mameka assembly job. Your machine be a beer or share your TV soon. Who say, yeah, until America action. Anyway, yeah, that's the pan said. Also, what I said, obey prompt here. I'm yeah, visa. Now go on. A shrub. Yeah, can be for semi. Number say, yeah, deal win. And funny face. Moko UTV. And then Mama Brown, who interviewer. Sabi via Compaya. You crowd book, couldn't cancel the way as soon. beef na bi no se e bia maheda na mo ye ya ye de hu ye ne se enka funny face ya bokodum kansa asu ye ne wo outside no e bia ye nti ne a mo amon ye we no ye nti ne ye nti ase nti ene bi wo ha I was set mututu mu eche e video a kodum kansa ene funny face e wo YouTube omo ye ba na be abonchi. Alright, Yasansa Babio, we a Kumawood Entertainment Show and I did all live. I will Kumawood TV, Kumasi ahonjo atenga junction but they can catch us say awoso season 2 no ya shase audition as ya shase and it wa owo sisie kama owo to kama omodu ana we slim na we 18 years aircon obetini aba na oba register Saturday we ya ebe ya na ye de audition no eba enti baby a wo bia enam COVID-19 nti no say ye ma area bia ye ni nyina okumase wo de ane say Saturday ahomache wo Accra wo Tamale wo Sunyan wo Western Eastern baby a wo bia no sanka ma ahomache 4 otimu a wacha 8 na okumase uduru ya no afaka e wo kajetia oso kwa ahojo uduru ahojo a ye telephone number na egu screen so betima afre na wonso waba abaye audition ni bi last season no ye nyina ehu se achade bebre ene na ewu wonso bra na beje odie Kumawood Training Institute enso e de aba se ye church nsa no duma se baby edru no se onton covid ho niam wa nga usika sembe kofo ti bra se na esi eye hand sanitizer no bra ne enchrew na wonso koye bi cotton cause eno na eye ade a manfo air topa na ye enchrew se na esi liquid soap bar soap ene bees 3D epoxy biodigester endorse friend number way 0244294066 0244294066 na fe ye register na next month on the 7th na ye share jumadi no ase e wokumase oba baby aweda e free 200 Ghana cedis ana obetua a de be chewo ye ko share konyon cancer le wen one funny face issue na bulldog nso no emra funny face to blow no say bulldog na dey the chest the G yes say elande kojo cancer so a kabana ebia or isolated center bia ye hwem na ensem no edos mameni can starting free ojam and cancer ne funny face beef there are some now come from
that's say misi ya usini ya eta na kaza on na mama enko na mama so na mama wanyade na mama ni ba baby anu ye program discipline ni ho
na mama brown
yeah baby anu ye program YouTube baby anu ye fle ko dun kansa ni chimpo no because discipline
as one time control
na discipline set o fre ko dun kansa ma na ba so na fre fees usa ja sembe na mo kan na bon ti ansa na mo better life it is no kada mo be siesi enti ka wo fre fees ni ka bokojo amana ni ahoma ansa na ka mo siesi ka kaje ni kan na ka ni apa ya ansa na na ma ka mo se muni mu nyansa di mu siesi da bia ka se ade da ya na wo muni mu no ya no mo fa fi dan san kan so ade no mu so fa fi dan san kan ho a sa nya ma be kai ka pe
sesen
nya bi ni ma de no ya me frame show ana me frame na ma na ho me ba mu show so e mo ko bisa fa ko show so ba ko na me no bi problem wo be sisi dan san ansa na ko wo show so na I life.
Okay. So far you said show me your life until
Life ni say
if say o my man say on be see different there.
Different there.
Ke say we see no dem.
About
Asam the
Asana what did you have any kasa de we ye na de we kire ye ni the problem de buy no. I don't like am cut life ni bi ntie bi. Ka mo pon ya na ka ya atu. Na man ka hwe mo ba ko so na ma say sie. Na kata
no. Ebi no mo ka say planting. O
we dey planting. Chem woni mu nyansa anya planting
to boss
David bra wo ke wajimi o ko ko ponte bra ko wajimi
to boss o jam
nkasa yeah video
ultimate trap videos in kaso bin ni
kan ko chi hu na sa dia ho inde no enye ya I mean you got trouble. But yeah, I didn't hear the chance of the life. Who here, who can I from here? That I get a bone will try ya. Somebody must say you flew, then you get. That didn't want my use common sense.
70, fine. Because of common sense, I'm not my tears about what you make us open in answer. Ebia, a buffo, and I had a buy.
I'm full of yeah, I'm so bad for food, so Yakasa.
And you patch out. They say we move into a patch.
Okay, we patch out. Jack T. Funny face. That they are watching. You said you want a street in the near month for near money. It's a winning send us on Cafro, when we answer ground. What fell before the man? No one see you when
I didn't know what attacking funny face because funny because you can't stand there. And then I want to tell you all right, but also you do the crack or do as far enough or can be said a funny face as far as not terrible mona or Jokuno or I don't conduct to the ABN. Okay, so who's a wrote him more, said Buffuma, what you did. You more come from Muzamaka, but I said, be a team. Get him pen phone or the business. What to tell you? Eh? The people who prove them so now they must say, who is it? Next time they go. There's a book for instance, what did you brought for? What did you brought? What did you brought for? So what I say? Yeah. The government drew. You will fear and an alarm friend. It's a bit more piano. Me put a nama. And I'm the employment and nama. There's a nama so from it here. Me no okay me put to me check you na kodun kasa here me and talk here so talk here there o kan sa there me ka so me kan say na bi a production no e na anye enye
I don't think that
because before I be back na production for na free actually say oh kokoma would so entertainment show and some say na kan wase semi producers anyone can say now the turn out casting there or baby. I don't think producers. I don't think I'm so moving. And I'm one. But this is what my team we have. And now the catchers and family face. What's made in the way? But don't cancel your prayer. Don't cancel your catcher family face. And your grandma. But don't go say needs to bad 10 years war. Oh, what to get in a panel? And you put a quick laugh. And then fully show. Why the how? Okay. Send your son for the why in the catcher said to take care of a piano wall and so police station. Baby, we don't cancel and so court. Yes, yes. Oh, it is one primo commander that he everybody in the bail. You must have what we ship. The family was maybe one more. Yeah, when you sukuno, yeah, when you give me a muse, when you might get a crack, your first school, and you can't end the man, and one will carry out of coffee. Okay, Ojam Anna, ordinary Abana, enter. Ojam ewo special time or Kumo TV so the day ever brew on them probably transnafi almost the issues are social media no they are bro live or Kumo TV and then Ojam no yeah toning it down net social media so some of what and one of mine and more kind of sanity we a Kumo entertainment show. Every person know ever my point na one so what friend now they are venture at the aba. But I say there Tesla no and other screen is no bit my fact no friend and I say what the text message at the aba near can at the aba. Oko YouTuber Sam Darkus TV or YouTube okwa so no share now I like it na fe wabekan ye ho and na okọ Facebook nso and also Kumawood TV our Facebook okwa also na watch our comments at all at my na kan edit amount me at the Samuel Kwabena da kumebeko Rabido see na me ka say number no still at the screen so obetini at the message aba na kan edit amount Rabido
sorry
funny face Kodon cancer le when and a bulldog and so and some of our kind as a man of
some funny face ne Kodon cancer le when the meeting my can say sandy pay me only actors
Almost a comedian.
Almost a comedian, 2 of them. Now
I'm a musician.
I'm a musician. I don't know musician no where in there. And then only a dear more, but more comedian no movie and any more.
Okay.
Now we bulldog. Honestly, artist manager.
Yeah.
Now we have a Panama or honestly a counselor.
Yeah.
Now we have Anna McBrown, honestly actress.
Yeah.
Father Dixon, a producer.
Yeah.
Eti me akwan bi so me hwɛ what was happening on YouTube and I heard an ama segment near the nama na. I don't want to believe say saa na ebia obia hu no, but obia wo kwan fa so a ohu na de. Me hu ni say movie seminar is about for no. There should be a new way of entertaining the so-called movie viewers and I say fans now no movie or don't movie no movie pa.
Yeah.
There's supposed to be a criteria for them to enjoy. And this is one branch that they are enjoying because Nana Mama Brown to do entertainment show on UTV and the time she's doing the show, the kind of people are invited or now her and no matter how cost or how to say a movie na Nana Mama way, but I can't chase movie because one said the lady can before say be invited to our TV so and I say you better say a panel cry. You know what you are going to do. And I'm saying I'm aiming before say program now hosting on the oil pa. Na Father Dixon so as a producer. Father Nim the oil as a producer. Father Nim say production ya you go and say you be viewers are on be share na the vex on be come wasa.
Okay.
In this case, Funny Face and Lowin no problem. The other problem they buy baby.
Award.
And yeah, Funny Face award no apology.
Yeah.
Or kind of see why. And actually, the Funny Face I buy a involved Cali Box and Guy Bacono Bismarck. I feel Funny Face I buy him. Ever care about near. I'm on the year cry issues and I didn't know so trending by ye. And the Funny Face you know when I bet and say you say you move issue ni ye na your peace like you unite to for them to smoke a peace pipe now share and command no moody and no buffo no said you buffo by how I end the program now program anyway no pictures are mood try any idea it tells you say Funny Face and when they were on set shooting a movie on UTV and movie ni we you know and I'm for going and you Funny Face here one year said the movie a commentary ban sabe pepe eti movie bi ni here on UTV and talk about more e bi mo ya Funny person one Funny Face
that's oh by just on what script you know.
Yes, the script was written because Father Dixon is a very good producer. They would never do a program doesn't why YouTube politicians Asia pa eti be shia bronya na bi for me show YouTube omo to make cancer no no yes you go commercial break ni abani amoma decent but we no so you enjoy the movie to the highest level what you say be na dia ba kwa damage omo ne say na dia ba kwa hard ne say we mu no omo ye no o ma movie fans na abenya odama this type of movie na dia na mo ye the first no abu one omo na mo ye movies no because I said Ghana movies and Nigerian movies ebe call competition be kakra.
Yeah.
Na Ghana for Ghana me commentaries and I made me say Ghana for we be cast Nigeria for you good bow. Na fe kwa there Ghana for be so Nigeria for na wo ne court movies no mo here. Commentaries are somebody to share. Nigeria for me so me Christopher, so me Piper for. Ya te say no money na. E ma Ghana ebe GD say ebe here public notion say Obia or your movies in and that's all character no. Only go from Susumunyame, only very decent people, only your movies, just for us to also know how things is going.
Okay.
But it's already a course here. And that's a conform your movie, characters now who play. Let's say conform characters no play. That is their character. Because right now, you want us to believe that whatever that is going on is natural here. Normal interviews, and normal baby, proper. Normal baby, you're out of professionalism. Because one, Funny Face buyer, then narrating a story. Me questioning a kasi bi adema na obeti mama yen vivid and in total about what really happened. enti a one no woni nya beef no okọ ele nkwe
ele na me wo na kodon kansa
o chire mu kodon kansa chire mu se ono one Zion Felix here we na
se
na ya brand mode
o se
different se
o se ya bi
friend face ayi bi
pen
na no su ye
na no su ye bi kan normal
you be aba follow on story na ene ho nko anya bu follow ana asem we ho na aba ma friend face ire free kra ba kuma asem we ya aya komo ya so no se o Calibus mu nyina ene Bismarck mu nyina ka ho mu yese afedi o se na yire kwa na kodon kansa na we kansa na yire ton no kra man kofo bi this is a very big issue friend face susu o TV stations bi meaning so ya aware but you come back no cause I'm very emotional no also so friend face to me
I say acting there
they acting na make a job because only one friend face no hear any problem and I say oba won na wo any problem friend face na emre bi atwa mu na yiri bi ya na oba no ntika so Mr. 1 minute man am on me jaware e ni kwa say or dog na
no what twins
there be twins here new one here is only the problem
okay
the twin mother we buy or not be more when twins se see again the sign twins very first be 4 just within be
now or no
as a wa mana ba kuma se get
girls as onyam I say a twin
yes I twins a funny face there so and what come say again we na issue ne koso na ya wa betena UTV
this man na answer be kra
na so bia
na wa say ko koma o solve all the issue
aside bibia kwa na mama ya abreast with that they know it can come on koso o say ki ebusa ne say why is it that issue we mu nyina kofa o ja ware amode betu to social media
na the award on yes say beef
ama mo say dem di kan Ghana for nya movie fufuro mo hwe bo mu nya awa say a movie so mo o go to YouTube na ko he nipa ahwesa ade na o ma hwe no oh yeah some movies na enti yeah we try here no and now we have to advise ourselves to say we are still trending into a different world first no nanka obetie news a o twen se sukulu kana 12
GBC
nanka mo about news be na no atrofo na do so obi ayusu ahomatrofo enti obi adi ahomatrofo ni twa ntro and I'm not here to say my true phone mudo and yes it's ready enti no asema en kwan say o man here was am krana because who do wrong food enti no you are in love with wrong information because idea cause YouTube no so you will be follow funny face you will be follow no winner nkomo mu kodi ye no and it talk it was a big drama mo wona na as actress wo ma movie ni efe mo cancel wo ma movie ni efe mo bulldog wo ma movie ni efe Paradise ni producer
after na wo share be a position on position bulldog and
funny face
na way na bulldog na ma choma what a shame movie
a nice movie just length ni so but on the part 2 but things are gonna for the bedroom I see this to movie
okay Rabido and or can some say they see on YouTube no a movie and wo a wo hwe so you to pass a movie for text message bra and our WhatsApp bra na yen kan and from say a drama and amoye no ewo and I say o de unyi tum say no a movie no moye nemo a asempa de see senior ojam kan mame ko menua Frank so na Frank so and fact the submission and Frank
so if it's real so this problem has been solved then
and then say allez
also this belief has made a funny face and the way in that trend because it's a movie bien and the comedian should be actually it's not sad if we never more trend and to solve that their career might come to a standstill which I'm not happy. I'm near the team. But they say and solve with. They say they are doing no matter what. But they know. What's happening is let's have a party of the fight to start very soon. Very soon.
I want to GP from us.
Oh, but my father said in the entertainment industry, these things say so different. The way we fight beef. Eminem will say Ghana movie that was because there's a kid man because the movie I also said I said that the bigger need I more presence in but so beef we am so problem was say from the face go na koji the overall best actor of the year. And it brought so many things up. I'm a fan of his crowd after this beef. Was up a said, send it to me, grandmother, so he was there, he was in the system. Oh, see, the boss said, I must solve what then, but I'm sure so. Such a woman.
Never have it, does
And I'll be happy. When I hear someone started to one, I'll be so happy. I'm so happy.
And then there were comments, and I said, man.
How because of who? How because of the industry I am also involved. But the industry of the creative arts, the industry of wasn't it's so different. I'm saying about kind. Could I say maybe I moved up to anybody? People don't know. The Bible, the Bible is telling me I am waiting. Or say over more to the now put up and come point you count to be out one. I hope I and also person can tell me say the way the family face I was not even from Louisiana. Is that what you think? Somehow you know. Now say I'm going to chop a difference in address. You. There's no hope in you. I'm going to chop it. And to about. I don't want to go on my auntie. Don't you have small boys in this country? Let the people happen. There's no fight. That's what the good of the entertainment industry. That's a fact. That's your you know there. So I'm more common banner. I said to me the story people now was I said it about.
Okay, Kumawood Entertainment Show and it's no ever had because comments now are free. Your guest no ever. I think say a bin money home, bin so any engine home. Wait, I say Kumawood TV, you guys are doing a good job. Keep it up, please. I know the coronavirus it's very serious, so always wear your nose mask. I'm saying Makamo Asem ever. Communication with the Shatawale and what he said to me. He want okay. What messages now? Again, greetings goes to my only son, Baba Adama Kabori. Okay. I will say so. I say, hey, Ghana, with the B, Papa, someone have win an award. How can you make comments on the funny face more vim, but next time don't fight him. God will fight for this. Message is from Opuni and so Abba. We say so as Lewin is a comedian, but funny face is not comedian. From Mr. Martin on Sonadia or the Abba. I don't know. We say so. I say hi. I'm Vincent from Vincent. I think say hi. I'm Seth from Mampong. I'm enjoying your show very very much. But as for funny face and Lewin, they were not fighting but rather acting. They are just playing with our minds. Okay, thank you. Also, what they are, also betting the what they are, not pay yakin kind at the amount life or Kumawood Entertainment Show. So, maybe at the someone, Kwabna Daku, aka Sam Dakus, also betting the what they are, yakin kind at the amount. Number no another screen is medical so I can't say, I also shake your waist. I also a bus for Saturday we are audition to Unimu Swap what they say Saturday anopa 9 to 4 p.m. Betting Abba na wabe audition. Kumawood Training Institute and so apostle on the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th August and now the Abril who was so strong and Duma bra Nafi also bra the vision na Ebebo Yipa. Ye kwayanin enche mebie ahomanotum na wonso wode aba. Ye maame akuadonko eye obi a oye politician and I said or president oba be president of Ghana na ode ni manifesto betu Ghana promise or the account when say sɛ nyankopɔn yɛ n'adom na sɛ Ghanafoɔ to abama na ɔbɛbɔ mmɔden asɛ ɔbɛma media guys na nasɛ presenters ne ɔmo media no mu no ɔbɛma obiara kaa baako promise Akuadonko ɛde ama yɛn a yɛwɔ media mu nti sɛ mabusuafoɔ to ama Akuadonko a ne nyaka enti no ade a Akuadonko no bɛ convince yɛn ɛna ɔde abɛto dwa ewei na ebinom ɛka ɔmo nsɛm bebrebe na ka yɛnyɛ politics but ɔbɛka fire ho no deɛ asɛ ɔde din no bɛgye ayi post ɔgye wie ɔfa wei wo ka nanka ɔde bi abɔ ayɛ dɛ aka ho nanka yɛnhyɛ mu sɛ deɛ wo so ka woyɛ serious Rabido
sorry
no
so ɔbɛkyɛ cars yeah, no, I see. A journalist.
Oh, a journalist.
TV. Baby, on a focus TV. Sabu one I'm to be a Rabido TV. Naturally, be a journalist, but I mean, mention both will be a friend and I'll be also a granting Dora. Here with YouTube, trading upon and I'm mentioning it in a normal canon. Same, to be very honest with you, Yamamia don't call or history kakra. Said the Bayer, one for whom. In some of our canon, better must see 8 years ago, no a presidential candidate.
Yeah.
When now 1% crowd, our battle, but the Hong Kong Park Sindu. I'm a Park Sindu man a car for election. We are the Park Sindu Castle for car and Rabak. My miss of a car and come up Park Sindu, so I can't that's what I was saying. No, some man, last 4 years I have called Torban, no so sense standing for president for the party. Or copy key forms, nipa bibi na bo ama na fill form according to him. Or the forms na call then EC chairperson or a woman, Charlotte say, or refuse to ma no. It's about to the last 4 years. No one can presidential candidates. This year, ya no say. On one must submit your forms. On come. It's my men
or find the forms and go.
Debbie, my men,
I don't promise yes,
that be so. Yes, you did. A crowd of what did you do? Because I said, "How can I go now? Okay, I know what did. I know I can't be in a carpet. One more by our bay, you can carry the dick a crown with your car. Or more normal tape party. Up to no moment automatic. It's a crowd of cockroach, so only 50, and that's to be a bush for. Oh, media for a book and Cotamano, but I'm one pen, no more Fox effort. A one pen, the Sugu Yaswa, and a certain boy, a some woman. And it's not an uncle pen, be open president. Was the president will be a bar, by an AC, or you know, be a come on, also president, the crew for senior president. Now, South American presidency, it's not just say Obemeki promises now president.
No, I come here, I say promises, no, and I'm going to convince it.
But my men cry on your part of the race because last 4 years, no, your candidate, you refuse to know, you're a form of our own failure. It is here, all failure our campaign. No, we are campaign now, come ballot to know I better to Obama be president. So, see, I'm for America. But only visa, we are the America. Take a look at more American only visa. You have a return. Take a look at some local Casimbo. My young man burned into this 3 months' time. Most of them, of course, not part of the ballot.
I said, I deal with it.
Yeah, but minimum said, so far as last 4 years, she was rejected. No, I'm very sure that this year she's going to be rejected too. Because only offices over the whole 16 regions, I'm very sure so only. And before said this time you better do you better go with the same criteria. It's your shadafa the merit and say some waka you shadafa say oh some na waka no e bia you say it makes sense you betimi baso sa journalists are more kroma say no are you ministers journalists are more kroma say no president ni ma mo ye journalist na president na ma journalist ka say I got for abadam for na street ni so e
be say e no kra pa say me fan say wakọ
and also
joining or a part of it. Now, or this some message we balance to be convincing journalists in right,
better what conversation journalist because in some mammy I trust him, and some I ask him, a comedian kind of vibe. Wouldn't say some way to me, mother. It's my no I said, Doma and a cook for the money. It's in the policy away, policy a Ghana for better was a Montoka Marginal and true journalist for Ghana for you. Mainstream media and true mucha, I repeat again, lies I can see a journalist and he can't try with the giant woman. No baby talk mama be try and talk say na of course but journalist you can't drop out woman say me ya aware of him try cause see Ghana in some cause we say do say na maka Ghana say see me no ka say mo ka about yare free baby e buy ya dia tum say yare number and no now what about international police na cause and no mo ka bi what about entrosema e cause do WHO mo ka bi CDC ntro mo ka bi media nankasa eye limit because say media kwa no betina radio so na be kan kro bia do bia education so ja sam na kan only fact bia but a lot of people are holding Bible they don't have no fact they are talking we are in a system whereby opeso chantra only media for tibia baako na ya jiwatu ebi na kwa don koy because obeda media for say the be ya every media outlet they are because we can call message in no say the media for nya ka fa so be na kana for nya so be ma media for nya ka one you are badam for me very harmful on the street but 1 week ni very unfortunate sentiment to trust our pictures and our video me ho bodan ya watambo back say dia shade some so de ko bo bi ni pe gani ye obi na ya vim na kwaje sa ani free bodan nsem abodam for gu abonte o me harmful than COVID-19. But you don't care about them. What you say, but then need to be far about that. Putting Ghana, the report will be a Nitimu and Damakan will put it you do me answer. When you harmful sick of 19, huh? But what are you doing to that? Mamma Chowadim, Ufri, New Road, ya, President Gufota, Mumbai, a Quakusiamanaga, a score overhead, the Pamanaga. What was our road in Fifino? Oh, Murano, as a sign of a Greek grass, our friends, our grass. Fua ni asambu bia bedo wonu say ya kwan no ye discover ya kwan no grass ni discover cotton ya kwan no grass ni tibi fua so tobre no ni asambu pa e bia bebe 200 million no mo bedo ni nyina Jawas don presidency ye dwene mu no ye se sa green grass na mo bia no kwan fifiri nyina mo fa nyina nwi akakaduro ni beetroot eti nyame ya dom a mo te sa abro no so nyina asamble ma won mo na mbesi true se sa no mana ye dwa wo sa ye kwan ni fifi no mo na mbegugu so sa akaduro ni beetroot no ye harvest ya sa area for mo amodia ene sa sensan na mo na mo da bia mbesa do nyanza be ni eti there are tangible things to do we are not doing it eti e no go so be check us me hu ni say on fa ba ko si bi um ka akoma no ansa ba no check us because okay Edward Nkwo yesi fa pa kwasi ndum ka koma asana wakoche cast the ama journalist ojam asembe na wakafa Edward Nkwo issue
data Edward Nkwo issue na sama be kafa be se eti edinje yo se na wunye bi wa prepare Edward Nkwo do yin nyina no on pese ni din no ebewu din no won se asem wo kan enfa ba dem se ni din ni ba yelenti enso kasa se me yesu yebobo ho enso kra no
ye betra one can couple
what can enso dem so pese din ni ba yelenti ana tambia wo renew ni din no ni din wo renew no ni din na wo an wo renew no Maybe yes, it's been with them.
No, feel say or the confirm journalist there. Anything so yeke. On why everyone and so what with the cry. When say about to Munya, I dare walk and to say, yeah, everybody did every day can go, when you no say, I said, no, I said, they didn't go by kicking. Mama, money happened. Say, nobody did no by kicking. Why? It doesn't well moving from good go as a good record say I'm come away. The Nadia and Pepaso. Alright, they are called registered and go renew.
So I said, yeah, you are
organize
last year I don't know you did never go read
every year
I don't know you tiba kwa to ye
o jam
shaking o ko you no
Azan o jam say e ga don ko e ko ni di
it's possible so you are going to be
na le mo so ya no mo ri ni
obi a ri ni di ti ko ni di na o di ni
say ya je e be ri ni di
ya di e bi say amafo so amafo ni papa so amafo ni ya papa so amafo ni kakra e ti ta be bi na dia go fo ni so ya every day today there say ya die bi am say o jam na yewe o jam na ni ya
wo no so ya enyama o ye bu social
mi di na gure mi timi na se ti na bi dia be mi di oh
na se enya no kra ba o di sibu amafo
mi di sibu say
Renew ni di.
mi ti mi dia so mi say amafo
Oh mu ye.
mi mu yo ana
na o ka bi won asem den pa asem
o ya bi den nya na me ka ba mi di sada ku so aja wo ye nsefo na wadie ba mi di so that aye kasa ko aye kasa ko se mo je ko ni sa na ku so mo je ma nya de mo je mo de ai ba mi di no ti sa de ko ko so je de wu a wo wi ni no e tu de so be nya cheka
ya grada ya na so ya o se no ye no ni ade no
wo wi ni agrada na
mo
wi
ni renew di
ni
o fa no so ja renew di
je be kan ti me ti be for so ba do no ye e mo me twi de ni no e de ma me wi ni di o just want to come in na wu de me wi ni papa ama cha ga ni
ko si
o me ni
ko ma na se afa no ni tra ti ya so ya na so de ni ya be na so ni the boy married in dia the bet what based on some America the bet what you say rabbi I mean who said perhaps you can now kind of that's all the
o se am se e ba minim se ba na o ya de all the color
or the quack at it the color ko be dress ko first crowd me so the ya be say you opposite the dog training some yeah that was your presidency
once the renew the di
the means business
or the renew the di Ghana
o be wi ni di
Sami eno no ye ha okese kwa say saba MPP NDC o mo jam hifa na MPP NDC
and I'm just a Ghana ha
o 19 e ba NDC ni be na achi
enti no e wa dey say o rasta man dey be je no NC
eno no ye
o
wa
renew the di
Sami no ye wa obi si enu atoka duro na e wo kwa mu na ye nyan sensa na ye bia na se ni di no ri na on the merit wo ma mu ko je kwa no ko ba na
Jaws of Rania and Yatutu
na so me mo wa se the Jaws of wa I'm a spokesman me and chairman ntia na me o ya wo so busan ga busan abeti maka
the pass na Frank
so last week we recorded it for Steve
oh mo for the Jaws of
I don't know this story now
o dey renew di
say no new term renewing
so papa na e go dey so many presidents now e go dey offer
later born ya wo dey offer
renew asa
now it is wrong in cancer now policies of
hey ese o so team no ha
I'm not going to
say o ya da mo come em na be
I'm your wife me pa ya aka line o chire ni o aka line nura ko
ma me come as maka e ti for the
o dey kai
I for
kasa
no policies of finance policies of agric education aya on the to job for Steve on YouTube
then that was it
that was here
then come here
now ko sha sabe papa no or the baby man I'm say rabbi into no the gang say no legalize weed nana be plan the can legalize a portion of the weed or Ghana I say
that's
right
right
direct us and
no say president has said America and I'm kind of it's not relevant to me that also say the presidency there's some presidency that can't go anywhere and I can't now go to be man with them bring to
many dey come at me
I can't finish your name obi e try dey come one and one to go we be check for say madam dey try one she come this man tell me someone some family you want to go this woman I don't know where from the force what do this is my car Also, how can this one?
Reality. This is what media don't want.
Also, you know, you choose a neighbor, and I let you listen to her.
Or come on about let's all watching all the
live. This is the
Mano, this is why Rasta Manu.
This is the one.
No one to us.
The woman we are talking about. Mama, cancer. On the last year, on the form square, the sick ones, all the district qualified. This year, on your memory, and you can't know what they're not. Now, can't go physical for that. Let's go and watch Focus TV. Your name to come on, Taoism, education on YouTube. And look at the policies. Also, for that, what you buy, said the Ghana team, said the NBC, they disappointed us. And it's a fact, a reality.
But